Peekaboo, peekaboo.
Hi! Hello, everyone.
Good to see you again.
Can we look at pictures again, Box?
Yes, of course. But today we're going to move about as well.
Oh, great! Moving about! I'm good at that. And can I show them how, Box?
You can, Toby. You can move about together with the children. But I'm going to show them the pictures first. It's a pharmacy, the place where you get medicine when you're ill. This is the station, a place where you go to catch a train. Ooh, and that's a fire station. Oh, I hope there's not a fire. Ah, it's a police station. Oh, I hope we're not going to be arrested. And this is an airport. You can fly all over the world from here. Oh, look, it's a church. And doesn't the tower look like a red rocket? Sometimes when you're ill, you have to go to the hospital. Oh, look, everyone is splashing about in the swimming pool. And that's a school. I wonder what your school looks like. You can buy all sorts of things here in the supermarket.
That was great, Box. Can I do it now?
Yes, now it's your turn, Toby. Have fun.
Can you move with me? Okay, here we go. All together. Arms in the air. What's this a picture of? And stretch up. What can you see here? Keep your arms up in the air. And what is this? And stretch up higher. Okay, then make yourself very small. What can you see in this picture? Clasp yourself tightly. And what is this then? Well done! Yippee! Time for a break. Now jump in the air as high as you can. Jump, jump, jump! Okay, that's enough. Now we'll all stand on one leg. Are you ready to go? And up. Keep standing like that. And what is this? And now on the other leg. Tell us what you can see. Don't fall. And what are those? And now with both your feet on the ground. And what can you see here? Bend your knees. And spread your arms out wide. What's this then? Well done! Let's shake our bodies. Do a crazy dance. Shake your body all about. Yeah! Even crazier! Woohoo! That was fun, eh? Did you like it too, Peppa?
You've all earned a special prize, I think. Where did you hide it, Toby?
Look, it's for you. Ta-da!
Very well done!
Yeah, and can we do this one next time? Or that, or that?
Yes, of course. Goodbye, everyone!
See you next time! Bye!
Zoo, zoo, StoryZoo. Peekaboo, peekaboo, boo! By Toby. toy box the best.